Hello, Facebook world, everybody watching. Uh, Coach Veronica here again for another day of talking about gifts. Yep, you heard it. I said gifts. And not the kind that necessarily come in a box, but it's a pretty box. Anyways, I please let me know that you are here, that you are watching. Type it in the comments. Let me know where you're coming from, and we'll get this started. But this is day four of I've been sharing about gifts and how we can use everyday gifts to thrive in life. So let me know you're here. Let me know you're watching. Today, I want to talk to you guys about something that might actually sound a little bit strange. I want you to stick with me. I love the engagement in the comments, so let me know what you think about what I'm saying. Do you agree? Do you disagree? What are your thoughts? Uh, today's today's topic, we're going to talk about the gift of pain. Hey, RJ, good to see you uh, on your morning walk. Excellent. Uh, Let me know where you guys are coming from, what time it is, whether you're watching here live or on the replay. I love it. So, we're going to talk about the gift of pain today. Now, that might seem a little bit odd, and but I think it's so vital right now to talk about because let's be honest, to some extent, 2020 has brought pain to all of us in some way, shape, or form. Put it in the comments. How have you been affected? What's been painful this year for you? Let me know. I love reading your comments. I'll comment back, whether you're on the live here or later, I'll comment and respond to what you guys have to say. I love it. I want to talk about two aspects of how pain can actually be a gift for us and lead us to, if we allow it and we use it properly, we can thrive because of the pain that we are experiencing. So the first aspect of pain that I want to discuss, that I wanted to talk about for a second with you guys, is pain that is happening. That pain is for a purpose. Now, again, that kind of seems strange, maybe, but hear me out. How many of you, RJ's on a walk right now, to get exercise, to live a healthy lifestyle? How many of you put it in the comments? Do you go to the gym? Do you have a workout regimen? Do you have a healthy eating that you do? Some sort of form of exercise that maybe is painful. Maybe, I admit I'm not a gym rat, but I have some friends who they thrive in the gym. Not because it's necessarily the gym piece, the working out piece that is enjoyable or whatnot. Often it's painful and that's why they go to the hot tub after to like relax the tight muscles that they've really worked on. But that pain is for a purpose. They know that in that moment it maybe doesn't feel good, but it's going to cause them to to have a better lifestyle, to have a better life, to have a healthier body. Yes, RJ says it's a morning routine. It causes routine. That is so important. And something I did today, actually, that I do on a regular basis, is I go to the doctor and I get trigger point injections. For those of you who are not sure what that is, I didn't know before I got them. I'd never heard of them before. It's kind of like acupuncture, right? All I'll say, it involves a lot of needles and in my back. And it's painful. It hurts. I don't enjoy it. Every time my doctor asks me how it's feeling, and I tell him, "You're poking me with needles, it hurts." But he wants to check in on me and I appreciate that. I say that though because I bring this up because I don't go to Trigger Point because I enjoy Trigger Point. I don't go to get the needles because it feels good. I go because the result after feels good. The trigger point allows my muscles to relax and be calm and loosen, and I have more mobility, which then allows me to do more in life, to be more effective in my day, to feel better in my day. So that's pain for a purpose. The second thing I wanted to talk to you guys about, the second way that pain that can lead us, if we use it, pain can lead us to thriving, is turning pain into purpose. Again, we've all had things go on this year, but we all also have our own stories, our own journeys, our own losses and pains, whether that is a physical pain, the loss of a loved one, the loss of a job, whatever it is, we've all experienced pain to some degree. And I think the difference, what I've noticed in my clients and in the people around me, is that there are those who will get stuck in their pain and the grief of that pain and don't know how to move on. And they get stuck in survival mode. And then there are those who are able to take that pain, feel it, experience it, and then turn it into their purpose. Through their pain, they see their passion, they see what is important to them, what matters to them, and then they're able to focus that in, laser focus it into a purpose that is bigger than they could have imagined. And purpose brings contentment. I talked to you yesterday about a confidence and excuse me. It brings a confidence and purpose gives us that direction of where we're going and a reason to get up in the morning, a reason to get through and fight through the pain. And so for me, again, this is why I do what I do. This is why I love my job, working with people who are feeling just stuck in their circumstance, who are feeling stuck in their pain, in their depression, their anxiety, the suicidal ideations even, who are stuck in that moment and they want a better life, they want more, but they don't know how to get it. And I've lived that life. And because I've lived that life, because I've walked through that pain and that journey, I can actually help and I get to help them. I've turned my pain into my purpose. So that's what I've got for you guys today. I'm so thankful for those of you who are watching, whether it's on the live or on the replay. Please leave comments. Let me know. Are you watching live? Are you watching the replay? Let me know. What do you think? What's your kind of view on this? How has pain impacted you? Have you allowed it to let you thrive? Have you used it as fuel so that you can thrive? Or are you feeling a little bit stuck in it and a little bit lost, like it's an obstacle that you haven't figured out how to overcome? Let me know, guys. I'm going to be checking the comments, and we will see you tomorrow. Be blessed.